Soaring condo fees due to insurance hikes are putting owners at risk of foreclosure and trapping others in properties they cannot sell, according to residents struggling to keep up. Gina Mangieri is always investigating.
County and state lawmakers, insurance regulators, and the governor. Sorts of remedies, but people faced with enormous bills tell me time is running out.
Mike Elliott has owned his IAA condo for decades.
It's a very quiet neighborhood. We've had really no issues with the homeowners association. We've only had like 3 to 5% increases from year to year over 20 years.
But then he and all his neighbors got walloped with a massive hike in condo fees.
Got this large notification of insurance increase of over 164% for this coming year, and basically another 100% for the following year.
That means what used to cost him around $640 a month is now over $1,830 a month. That's more than 14 grand extra a year. And he says there is no end in sight, with projected insurance quotes already just about doubling again for the following year, according to a letter from their association.
And then next year, it could be well over $2,000 a month that they're looking for.
He is not alone. This is happening to thousands and thousands of property owners statewide. And to make matters worse, if they can't pay up,
they'll fine you a monthly fine upon the amount that you owe, and then they'll just put a lien on your property.
Honolulu City Council member Val Aquino Okimoto says this has quickly jumped to one of the top problems she's hearing from constituents.
They get notices, and sometimes it's within the month they're asked to then pay this absorbent amount of money that they don't have. And following that, it'll come with foreclosure notices, and so that's what these residents are dealing with.
She initiated a resolution calling on the state legislature to do more. It passed committee this week and comes before the full council early next month. Earlier this year, Governor Josh Green put together a task force to address the property and condo insurance. And I asked, what are some of the latest results that can bring relief now? The governor's spokesperson says he is aware of the insurance crisis and takes it very seriously. It is a global crisis, and points to a second emergency order this month that, among other things, suspended certain laws in order to allow an industry association and a state agency to issue master policies to condo associations. A response through the Hawaii Insurance Division says an RFP is about to come out to hire a consultant that will review the market and recommend what the Hawaii Hurricane Relief Fund could do to stabilize it. The task force will list stabilization actions to put into a bill for the next legislative session. And the division says they'll put out FAQs to explain what's happening in the market and clarify what they call misconceptions. The division adds the good news overall is that the market does seem to be improving and moving in a positive direction, but that's not being felt right now or fast enough for thousands statewide who face the abyss of bills they never knew to budget for. Selling isn't a magic bullet either.
They already have their mortgage now. They have this addition that is going to have to be conveyed to a new potential buyer, and who's going to buy that? Who's going to pay for that?
Leaving strapped and trapped homeowners with the anxiety of unaffordable bills, with liens and foreclosure the consequence of any non-payment.
At the end of all this is they may lose their home. That's essentially what's about to happen if they are not able to pay for these really big insurance increases.
Gina Mangieri, KHON2 News, always investigating.